Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, class. Meet me again in listening for academic purposes. Today, we are going to talk about short conversations, and then it's about who and where. After completing this meeting, you are expected to be able to answer the questions about who and where. In these sections, we are going to draw the conclusions about who and where. You should remember that the answer is not stated in the conversations, so you must draw a conclusion based on the conversation. The conclusion is based on the clues given in the conversations. The common questions are who is probably talking and where does the conversation take place. We go to the first one, conclusions. The first task is to ask you to determine who the speaker is based on the clues given in the conversations. Look at the example. On the recording, you will hear a man says, "What do you do during your performance?" And woman replies, "I play the piano and sing." The question is, who is the woman most likely to be? In your textbook, you read the choices A, B, C, and D, and then you should choose the correct one. From the example, the first one, we identify the clues given in conversations. Here, we find the clues are performance, piano, and sing. Okay, and then the question is about who. So, from the clues given in the conversations, we can draw the conclusions. That's who is the musicians, right? And then we go to another type of conclusions is to determine where the conversation probably takes place based on the clues given in the conversations. For example, on the recording, you hear man says, "I'd like to open an account, please." And then the woman replies, "What type of account would you like? A checking or saving account?" And the question is about where does this conversation probably take place? The first you should do is to identify the clues given in the conversations. There is the word an account, and then a checking or saving account. And from the clues, you can draw the conclusion. What's the correct answer from the choices here? What are the correct answers? Yeah, the correct answer is in a bank. Okay, let's practice. We go to number 1. Man says, "I would like to mail this package, please." And then the woman replies, "First or second class?" And then the question is, who is the woman most likely to be? Okay, the first one, we should identify the clues given. There is the word mail here, and then package, and then the question is about who. Okay, from the clues, you can draw the conclusions. Can you? Yes, right. Okay, the correct answer is which one? A, B, C, or D? The clues is mail and package. Yeah, the correct answer is B, a postal worker. Go to number 2. Woman says, "How much are the flowers?" Man replies, $10 a bouquet. And then the question is, Where does this conversation probably take place? Okay, we identify the clue. There is the word flowers here, and then a bouquet. Yeah, a bouquet here. And then the question is about where. Okay, from the clues, you can draw the conclusion. And then the conclusion is where? Yes, C, in a florist shop. Now we go to the last practice here. Man says, I need to get this prescription filled. And then the woman replies, if you'll take a seat, I'll have your medicine ready for you in a moment. And the question is, who is the woman most likely to be? Okay, we identify the clues. Here is prescription. You know prescriptions? Yeah, recipe. Yeah, recipe. But not for cooking, yeah? It's for medicine. And then there is the word medicine here. And the questions is about who? Who? Okay. This is the choice A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is yes, a pharmacist. Yeah, a pharmacist because uh, there is the word prescriptions and medicine. Yeah. Okay. I think it's clear for you about short conversations, who and where. You may go to the exercise. Okay. I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.